Welcome to 360 Degree Machinery. We're going to take a quick look at a CR ONSRUD 36210 inverted pin router. Let's start at the back of the machine. If we go around back, open up the rear door, you're going to see that this is powered by a 10 horsepower Marathon motor. You do have a 36-inch throat. That's your clearance from your tooling to the edge of your arm, which they consider and call the throat. It does have a built-in lubrication system. If we come around front, here is your spindle. You do have 3 depth presets. This particular machine is also going to come with a 3/4 horsepower gassed vacuum pump. There's no on and off button for it. It is simply 115 volt. It's quiet running. It does have a foot pedal. We're gonna go ahead and start this machine. Quiet running. We did tune up the pneumatics and replaced some components. It's foot pedal actuated. You're gonna come in and just simply hit this side. It's gonna bring up your tooling and drop your pin. You do have 3 inches of total depth, 4 inches with your pattern. If you have any questions or comments, you could reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com or give us a call at 630-229-6705. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.